Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. February 18th, 2026. Today's important news includes Warner Brothers blasts ByteDance AI. Fei Li's World Labs raises $1 billion. New GA agent framework released. Alibaba releases Qwen 3.5 model. Anthropic releases Claude Sonnet 4.6. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
Warner Brothers Discovery has issued a cease and desist letter to ByteDance, accusing its new AI video generator ByteDance 2.0 of massive copyright infringement involving iconic IPs like Superman and Game of Thrones. The studio argues that the AI tool was preloaded with copyrighted characters during training, making the platform itself the root of the infringement rather than individual users. In response to industry pressure, ByteDance has begun blocking certain text prompts, but Warner Brothers demands the immediate removal of its intellectual property from the platform's training assets.
2.
Global video game content sales reached approximately $195.6 billion in 2025, marking a 5.3% year-over-year increase driven by resilient consumer demand across mobile, console, and PC platforms. In stark contrast, private investment in the gaming sector plummeted by another 55% as venture capitalists became more cautious amid a continuing funding winter. This divergence is reshaping the industry, forcing companies to prioritize profitability, long-term IP operations, and AI-driven development efficiency over rapid-scale expansion.
3.
Infosys has partnered with Anthropic to deploy customized, enterprise-grade AI agents for highly regulated sectors such as telecommunications, finance, and manufacturing. The collaboration integrates Anthropic's Claude models into Infosys's Topaz platform to automate complex, multi-step business processes rather than just providing simple chat interfaces. By combining Anthropic's safety-focused models with Infosys's engineering expertise, the initiative aims to bridge the gap between AI demonstrations and secure, compliant real-world applications.
4.
Data analytics company Palantir Technologies has announced the relocation of its corporate headquarters from Denver, Colorado, to Miami, Florida. This marks the company's second major move in 6 years, following a broader trend of tech firms migrating to South Florida due to its favorable tax policies and pro-business environment. While the exact reasons were not disclosed, analysts suggest the move aligns with Palantir's strategic positioning and allows it to tap into the region's emerging tech and defense innovation ecosystem.
5.
Cybersecurity startup Cogent Security has secured $42 million in a series of funding round led by Bain Capital Ventures to tackle the critical bottleneck of software vulnerability management. Instead of creating another scanning tool, the company utilizes specialized AI agents to automate the complex workflow of identifying, prioritizing, and fixing high-risk vulnerabilities. By integrating with existing security tools and allowing customizable levels of AI autonomy, Cogent aims to significantly reduce the exposure time of critical flaws in large enterprise environments. 6. Google has integrated its advanced generative music model, Lyria 3, into the Gemini app to allow users to create custom, high-quality music snippets using simple text or image prompts. The upgraded model automatically generates accompanying lyrics and vocals while offering users fine-grained control over musical style, rhythm, and vocal performance. To address copyright concerns, Google designed the tool for original expression rather than artist imitation and embeds SynthID digital watermarks in all AI-generated audio.
7.
World Labs, an AI startup founded by pioneer Fei Li, has raised $1 billion in new funding to develop spatial intelligence and advanced world models. Rather than focusing on standard text-based language models, the company aims to build AI systems that can deeply understand, predict, and interact with the 3D physical world. Supported by major investors like Autodesk and NVIDIA, this technology is expected to revolutionize fields such as robotics, industrial simulation, and virtual content creation.
8.
OpenAI has partnered with Paradigm to launch EVMbench, a new benchmark designed to evaluate the performance of AI agents on Ethereum's smart contract security tasks. The framework uses 120 high-severity vulnerabilities from real-world audits to test AI capabilities across detecting, patching, and exploiting critical flaws in a secure sandbox environment. Early results indicate that while AI models show strong offensive exploitation skills, they still struggle with reliably detecting and patching vulnerabilities, highlighting the need for better defensive tools.
9.
Researchers from UC Santa Barbara have introduced Group Evolving Agents, GEA, a novel AI framework that optimizes collaboration strategies at the agent group level rather than improving single agents. During its offline phase, the system evaluates and solidifies effective collaboration patterns, allowing it to execute complex tasks online with the low inference cost of a single agent system. Performance tests on software engineering benchmarks show that GEA matches or exceeds human-engineered multi-agent systems while reducing inference costs by up to 80%.
10.
Alibaba has released Qwen 3.5-397B, a 17B, a highly efficient mixture of experts, multimodal model that delivers flagship performance at a fraction of the computing cost. Despite having nearly 397 billion parameters, it only activates about 17 billion per token, enabling exceptionally fast decoding speeds and cost savings of up to 60% compared to its larger predecessors. The open-weight model supports long context tasks of up to 1 million tokens and demonstrates superior capabilities in reasoning, coding, and multilingual applications. 11. Anthropic has launched Claude Sonnet 4.6, a mid-tier model that matches the performance of its flagship Opus 4.6 in key enterprise tasks at merely 1/5 of the cost. The model features significant upgrades in computer use automation, complex coding comprehension, and multi-step agent workflows. By making this powerful and cost-effective model the default for both free and pro users, Anthropic is positioned to accelerate widespread enterprise AI adoption.
12.
Code review startup Qodo has released version 2.1, featuring an intelligent rules system designed to solve the common amnesia problem where AI coding agents forget organizational context between sessions. The system automatically discovers, maintains, and applies company-specific coding standards and historical review decisions directly into the AI agent's workflow. Testing shows that this persistent memory approach improves bug detection precision and recall by 11%, effectively catching complex logic and security flaws.